In tutorial 8.3, we're going to talk about transitions and animations. Now, when we get to the animations part, things may not work perfectly in your browser, but we're going to try it anyway, and we're not going to worry too much if we can't get it to work. Okay, so we're going to begin on page 629. Okay, but before we get too deep into this, I want to look at the cp_royal.html page. Okay, so I'm at the top of the document and I see the body elements and there is a header, and this is our navigation. This is what we're going to be styling first. I want you to notice it has a navigation class of horizontal and an ID of top links. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to attach a style sheet. And the style sheet is called cp_animate.css. Okay, so we're going to save our changes and then we're going to open up this animate.css. I'm going to rename it to take out the underscore txt and then edit with Notepad++. Okay, and I'm going to put my name and the date. Okay, and on page 630, I'm going to start my style. So I'm in the transition styles section, and so I'm going to say nav hashtag top links, because remember that had the ID of top links, and I'm going to put an A because it is the hyperlinks. Okay, so some of the styles, I'm going to set the color. Font size, letter spacing, and text shadow. Okay, now what this did, it just set the initial state. Okay, so it's going to display the hyperlinks in white with a small text shadow. Okay. The next style, I'm going to say nav hashtag top links A colon hover. Okay, so this style is going to be applied when I hover my mouse over the link. Okay, color RGB. Font size. Okay, so this is the end state, meaning when I hover my mouse, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so it's going to display the hyperlink in light orange. Okay, that's what that RGB color is going to end up being. It's a light orange. The font's going to be larger and it's going to have a larger shadow. Okay, so I'm going to save this and look at this in my browser, and I will refresh my page and I'm going to hover over. See that? It's kind of fun. Look at that. Okay, so that works. All right, so I'm going to go back to my animate.css file. Okay, and I'm going to set a transition. So under, let's see, we're in the top links A section. I'm going to put it in transition. Okay, so what this first line does, there's a 1.5-second transition with the ease in transition and a half-second delay. So when I look at my page, you see when I hover over this, it's real choppy and it almost gets lost. Okay, like I just skip over genres when I go back. See that? Boop. Okay. All right, so the next line, I'm going to say font size 2S ease. Okay, this is a 2-second transition with the ease timing. Then I'm going to say letter spacing 2S ease out. Okay, and notice, guys, notice these are commas. These are not semicolons. And then my text shadow is going to be 2S cubic Bezier. Hope that's hyphenated. And 0.6000.8. Oh, I got too many zeros. There we go. Okay, and then a semicolon. All right, so I'm going to save this and I'm going to refresh this page and see. Ooh, you see that? Fancy. I like it. What about that? All right.